Welcome to Make Life Smart, where your pets get a futuristic upgrade too. What if the gadgets designed for your furry companions could make life smarter, safer, and way more fun? In this video, next-level pet gadgets that will blow your mind, we're exploring incredible innovations every pet owner will want to see. Stay with me because these smart gadgets are about to change the way pets live and play. Number 1. Meet the Storovic, the world's first bacteria-killing pet grooming brush designed to make grooming cleaner, smarter, and healthier for your furry companion. Because brushing shouldn't just remove fur, it should help protect your pet too. At first glance, it feels like a premium grooming tool, but the moment you use it, you realize there's advanced technology built inside. As it brushes through your pet's coat, it helps eliminate bacteria while gently removing loose hair and dirt. What makes it truly special is how it combines hygiene with comfort. Your pet enjoys a smooth, relaxing grooming experience while the brush works quietly in the background. Imagine keeping your pet cleaner, fresher, and more comfortable with every session, without extra effort. It's smart, practical, and designed for modern pet care. This isn't just a grooming brush, it's a healthier way to care for your pet. And once grooming feels this clean and effortless, ordinary brushes might start to feel not nearly as exciting anymore. Number 2. Meet the PettiChat, the world's first real-time two-way pet translator that brings you closer to your pet in a way that feels almost unbelievable. Because every pet owner has wondered one thing: what is my pet trying to say? At first, it looks like a simple smart device, but the moment your pet makes a sound, PettiChat begins analyzing tones, patterns, and behavior in real time, turning them into understandable insights. What makes it truly futuristic is the two-way interaction. It doesn't just interpret your pet's emotions and needs, it can also help communicate back using sounds and responses designed for your pet to understand. Imagine knowing when your pet feels excited, stressed, hungry, or simply wants attention, all through one intelligent device. It's playful, emotional, and surprisingly interactive, making the bond between you and your pet feel stronger than ever. This isn't just a gadget, it's a new way to connect with your furry companion. And once communication starts feeling this real, ordinary pet tech might not feel nearly as exciting anymore. Number 3. Meet the FOMPET, a 15-second in-body analyzer designed specifically for cats and dogs, bringing advanced health insights into everyday pet care. Because your pet can't always tell you when something feels wrong, but this device can help you see it early. At first glance, it looks simple and pet-friendly, but the moment your pet steps on it, FOMPET begins analyzing body composition, weight balance, and overall physical condition in just seconds. What makes it truly impressive is how fast and detailed the process is. In only 15 seconds, you get valuable insights that help track your pet's fitness, nutrition, and overall wellness over time. Imagine understanding changes in your pet's health before they become visible, helping you make smarter decisions about diet, exercise, and care. It's easy to use, stress-free for pets, and designed to fit naturally into daily routines. This isn't just a pet scale, it's intelligent health monitoring for the animals you care about most. And once you experience that level of awareness and control, traditional pet care might start to feel a little less informed. Number 4. Meet the Hello.it, the world's first energy recovery and electronic brake leash designed to make walking your dog smarter, safer, and more controlled. It's not just a leash, it's next-generation pet technology. At first glance, it looks sleek and modern, but the moment your dog starts pulling or moving quickly, the intelligent electronic braking system responds smoothly, helping you stay in control without harsh jerks or strain. What makes it truly futuristic is its energy recovery technology. As movement happens during walks, the leash captures and reuses energy, creating a smarter and more efficient experience. Imagine walking your dog with more confidence, smoother control, and less physical effort, even in busy or unpredictable environments. It's responsive, innovative, and designed to improve both comfort and safety for pets and owners alike. This isn't just a leash, it's intelligent walking redefined. And once everyday walks feel this advanced and effortless, traditional leashes might start to feel surprisingly outdated. Number 5. Meet the Bremen Pet Tag, a smart pet tag designed to give your furry companion personalized safety wherever they go. Because when it comes to pets, Peace of mind matters just as much as love. At first glance, it looks like a stylish, everyday tag, but behind that simple design is technology built to help protect your pet in real-world situations. What makes it truly special is the personalized information it can provide instantly. If your pet ever gets lost, anyone who finds them can quickly access important details and contact information, making reunions faster and less stressful. Imagine knowing your pet carries a smarter layer of protection every single day, whether you're at the park, traveling, or just out for a walk. Lightweight, durable, and easy to attach, it blends seamlessly into your pet's collar without discomfort. It's simple, practical, and designed around safety and connection. This isn't just a pet tag, it's reassurance you can carry with your pet everywhere. And once your pet's identity becomes this smart and accessible, ordinary tags might start to feel a little too basic. Thanks for watching Make Life Smart. Subscribe and stay ahead.